ou en tout cas, même, j'irais même peut-être plus loin. C'est que carrément, ils ont essayé de détruire le beau. Je pense qu'il y en a. Alors, il y en a qui ont essayé de détruire le beau, il y en a qui ont essayé de le cacher. D'accord. Euh, c'est vrai qu'il y a des gens qui ne souhaitaient pas montrer le beau. Il faut que ça revienne. Il y a même des gens qui souhaitaient le détruire. D'accord. Et donc, en gros, c'est comme si vous vous dites, comment je peux expliquer ça? C'est comme si vous vous dites que, euh, euh, en gros, si vous êtes contre le beau, c'est comme si vous vous dites, je suis contre que euh, la société progresse et la société croît. En réalité, c'est croît au niveau croissance. La réalité, c'est ça. Vous voyez? En fait, euh, il- honnêtement, être contre le beau, c'est ça. Alors vous allez me dire, Gauthier, moi je fais des interprétations à partir. Enfin, vous voyez, moi j'essaye de faire de l'art et je mets des interprétations un peu cachées, etc. Bon, ça paraît bizarre, mais euh, il y a des interprétations cachées dedans qui rendent. Donc en fait, c'est plein de sens. Vous voyez? Alors, l'art moderne, c'est ça en réalité. C'est plein de sens, mais euh, c'est pas visible beau. Vous voyez? Et donc, et bah, en fait, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire quand vous dites que vous faites ça? Vous voyez? En fait, ça veut dire que vous cachez le beau. D'accord? Et évidemment, ça a été pensé. C'est-à-dire, vous avez créé un mouvement où en fait vous cachez le beau. D'accord? Et donc, forcément, moi je pense que le beau devrait revenir sur le devant de la scène. Alors, ça veut pas dire que on peut pas cacher un petit peu de beau. Ça veut juste dire que il faut que le beau revienne sur le devant de la scène. Vous voyez? Donc, je vais faire un post là-dessus. Je vais faire un post, vous allez voir. Euh, alors, le beau. Je vais le faire en français parce que là, je l'ai fait à partir d'un mème que j'ai vu en français. D'accord? Et je pense que l'art moderne, euh, ouah, je pense que ça a plus de crédit en France. Vous voyez? Euh, même pas sûr en vrai. Moi, je sais pas. Je sais pas. Là-dessus, je sais pas. Mais le beau, donc dans l'art moderne. Donc, l'art moderne n'est évidemment pas beau. Ok? En gros, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans l'art moderne? L'art moderne n'est évidemment pas beau. En gros, ah, putain. Vous voyez, j'ai pas écrit moderne. Vous voyez, j'ai dit moderne, j'ai pas écrit moderne. Donc, l'art moderne, évidemment. L'art moderne n'est évidemment pas beau. D'accord? Donc, euh, en gros, euh, l'art moderne n'est évidemment pas beau, mais il est, il est plein de sens. D'accord? Il est plein de sens et d'interprétation. Le problème, le problème, c'est que qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? En gros, le sens et les interprétations sont devenus cachés. D'accord? Le sens et les interprétations. Alors, bon, elles ont toujours été cachées, le sens et les interprétations, dans énormément d'art. Le sens et les interprétations. Le sens et les interprétations sont cachés. Et donc en fait, le problème de ça, c'est que, alors, je suis pas en train de dire que il faut faire de l'art sans aucun, sens et interprétation. Et je suis pas en train de dire non plus que on peut pas cacher certains sens, certaines interprétations. Je suis en train juste de dire que il faut ramener le beau sur le devant de la scène. Vous voyez? Le sens et l'interprétation sont cachés. Peut-être qu'il faudrait ramener sur le devant de la scène certains sens et certaines interprétations à travers la beauté. Vous voyez? Ok? Parce qu'il y a des œuvres aujourd'hui, c'est devenu 100% euh, interprétation cachée, et donc du coup, c'est honnêtement horrible. Enfin, honnêtement. Je vais vous montrer. Alors, je suis allé voir un musée, donc je vais vous illustrer ça. D'accord? Donc là, vous allez me dire, Gauthier, on change de sujet complètement. Ouais, mais c'est parce que j'ai envie de parler de ça. D'accord? Donc voilà. Euh, donc, l'art moderne n'est évidemment pas beau, mais il est plein de sens et d'interprétations. Le sens et les interprétations sont cachés. Un sens, une interprétation. Ok? Peut-être qu'il faudrait ramener sur le devant de la scène. Ah, vous voyez, j'ai mis 2 fois le devant. Sur le devant de la scène, certains sens et certaines interprétations à travers la beauté. D'accord? Je pense que c'est c'est très très bien. Qu'est-ce que vous en pensez? Euh, je pense que c'est au top. Donc euh, certains sens et certaines interprétations à travers la beauté. Donc qu'est-ce que c'est ça? En réalité, c'est par exemple euh, des arts euh, des arts super beaux avec la croissance, vous voyez, la croissance de l'humanité à l'intérieur. L'innovation, par exemple, vous voyez. Après, vous allez me dire, bah, l'art, c'est pas forcément de l'innovation. Ouais, mais dans le cas d'un art artistique, ça peut être, par exemple, euh, euh, mettre dans l'art, vous voyez, euh, les choses que vous trouvez magnifiques, mais les montrer. Vous voyez? Donc qu'est-ce que vous trouvez beau? Par exemple, si vous trouvez beau, bon, par exemple, vous êtes des hommes, vous trouvez beau les femmes. Et bah, vous faites un, un dessin de votre femme rêvée, vous voyez? Et euh, euh, vous essayez de le faire le mieux possible et vous partagez ça au plus grand nombre. Vous voyez? Pour les femmes, peut-être que c'est euh, donc là, je parle au niveau physique. Pour les femmes, peut-être que c'est aussi l'homme, vous voyez, rêver. Donc pourquoi pas. Après, pourquoi pas aussi. euh, alors, chacun trouve la beauté dans quelque chose de différent. Vous voyez? Si par exemple vous trouvez la beauté dans, je sais pas, euh, vous pouvez trouver la beauté dans beaucoup beaucoup de choses. Eh bien, vous mettez ça sur le devant de la scène. Vous voyez, comme ça, l'interprétation, elle est super claire. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire? Comme ça, vous êtes vraiment clair sur vos intentions, ce que vous voulez faire, etc. Vous voyez? Enfin, moi, je trouve ça beaucoup, beaucoup mieux. Honnêtement. Euh, Au lieu de les cacher. Pour que ce soit clair. Parce qu'il y a peut-être des gens qui comprennent pas. Euh, ouais, bon. Hop. Alors, ensuite. Euh, donc, ensuite. Vite. Bon, là, là, je suis bloqué encore. Qu'est-ce que je voulais faire exactement? Donc, je voulais continuer. Alors, je voulais continuer. Beware usually. Donc, attendez. Je voulais continuer sur la suite, mais je voulais aussi parler d'un truc. Oui, je voulais développer. Ça y est, ça m'est revenu. Donc, je voulais développer le fait que. So, why just. Let's say first in English. Sorry, I do so many things at the same time that I cannot remember like everything. Okay? So, sorry if sometimes I'm like. I don't know where to, set my. I don't know what to think about. So sometimes I want to think about this, sometimes think about this, and I'm kind of like that. So sorry if I'm kind of like that. Okay, it's so it is a bit hard for me sometimes, but it's basically I like it. Okay, I like thinking about things. So here you go. But so basically, I wanted to talk about some things, which is so I wanted to talk about all of this, but not only that. You see, by talking about that, I forgot what I wanted to talk about. I wanted to talk about it's going to come back. So I wanted to you see, I cannot remember right now. So I wanted to talk about basically, so before coming on stream, I talked about because I had this subject when I first started the stream. I said it at the start of the stream. Okay, so I talked about another subject. You see, so at the start of the stream, I talked about ending the third party when it will not be needed anymore. Okay, then I talked about basically. I said that I would talk about that after, and before I would talk about I said before I would talk about I do so many things, so there are so many subjects that are coming that it's hard to talk about everything. Let me check. I have to check because I don't remember. Ok, I cannot go back using X. D'accord, comme tout le monde. Ok, on est tous humains. Ok, donc voilà, maintenant. Alors, ouais. I talked about that at the very beginning. Okay, they are not allowing me to. Okay. So let me explain that to you. Donc là, ce que je viens de dire, c'est qu'en fait. So it was loading, and when I said they are not allowing me, they loaded it instantly because they wanted me to cut me when I was talking about that. Okay. So that's why so basically, when I was saying they are not allowing me, they allowed me, so I'm like, okay, are they not allowing me or allowing me? You see? And so I have to stop and say, oh, they allowed me. So you see, while I'm saying that, they're allowing me. So you see what's going on and what they're doing. Okay? So you should normally, if you see this, you should be like, wow, that's not how a society or how people should do things. Okay? Okay, so they're not allowing me. Okay, so now it doesn't work. You see? I need to wait. Maybe if I get frustrated. Now you see. So basically, they can get if I'm kind of acting or not. Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait. Okay. You see? They're blocking me right now. You see? I cannot watch the video. So maybe if I do that...
Don't be too afraid.
Okay. You see? I cannot go back. So basically, what I wanted to say is so I talked about the third party, the fact that ending the third party would be the goal, and then when everything will be fine, so no more problems, and that the two party would could do things together. Okay, so I talked about that, but before, so obviously I'm going to see if on YouTube it's available, obviously, but I wanna try to search into my mind, but it's you see, I cannot do it. Basically, they are clearing my mind. Okay, so I cannot do it. They are literally clearing my mind. So there is some video streams where you can see that they are clearing my mind. Okay, so but so I cannot remember. Okay, so let me watch on YouTube maybe. Today, really important video stream, because we're going to talk about a really important thing, which is the fact that obviously a third party is not necessarily needed, because so and after that partie fait par eux-mêmes et fassent ce que le troisième parti fait. Mais intelligent et puis correct, eh bien c'est de donner des capacités aux deux parties. En fait, la troisième partie est neutre, par contre, il doit être puissant, parce que ce qu'il doit pouvoir faire, c'est justement avoir les capacités d'avoir la neutralité. Parce que moi, ouais. So after that, did I talk about the subject I wanted to talk about? This is what I want to verify. So rise a lot faster. Okay? Okay. Humanity, I think. Rotation another way, but this is not why. This was good. I'll try to escalate it to officials to get. I know. So I'm going to connect only. No, I did not talk about the other subject I wanted to talk about. Wow. So I wanted to talk about another subject. You see. Donc voilà. I wanted to talk about another subject. They fucking cleared my mind on that. Et vous voyez, si y a des gens qui vous proposent un système. I remember. This was a subject. Eh bien. Wait. Sans date de. So I think it was a subject. Here is what I wanted to talk about. Okay. Je peux la mettre sur mon liste. Here is what I wanted to talk about. I got it. Okay. So, basically, in the past few months, looking at everything, and even in the past few years, I realized that people are trying to link things together that are unrelated. You see? Basically, they're using quantum entangling at a macro level. Okay? So what they're doing is that they are basically trying to kill logic. Honestly. They are really trying to kill logic, and this is really, really... so basically, what they determined is that this is really, really important, okay? People for the religion, okay? They want to kill fucking logic, okay? Basically, some people want to kill science and logic, okay? And so what they're doing is that they are using quantum entangling to linking things together that have really no fucking sense, just to basically kill logic and kill people that they don't like, basically. So here's what they do. And I think they might have used this to prevent how can I say, for Germany to end their nuclear programs, honestly. So look what they did. So basically what they do is that they say, okay, they make people understand in a lot of ways, okay? I've lived it, I know it, and so I don't have all the stories about it. Maybe I have some, okay? Not on top of my head, if you understand what I mean. But basically what they do is that they say, okay, so let's say this person is I don't know, maybe this person is working for the government, okay? This person has, you know, let's say she has the access, she knows how to open a door which is closed, let's say, okay? Then what they do is that they make this person believe that if this person opens the door, then it's going to basically create another event which is unrelated, okay? So basically, they create into their mind that, for example, if they open the door, maybe someone that they really like will get rich, okay? They make people believe that. And then what they do is that so the person starts to really believe in that, okay? And so then the person opens the door, and when the person does that, so it's not even sure that the other person is getting rich, and what's more is that it's not even so it's not even sure that the person is getting rich. And what they do is that while you open the door, they will do some things that are not good. And basically, if people are finding out that you open the door, what they do is that they say, oh, it's you. You see what they're doing? And they do things. So this is their main technique that they've been using for maybe around 10-20 years. You see? So we have to make this technique clear to be able to defend against this technique. Okay? So basically, if things are unrelated, do not act. They are not related. Okay? Do not act. Basically, only act on logic. Please, this is really important. only act on logical things, official, real. Okay, this is really, really important. Okay? Alright? This is really, really important. Because they make believe people fucking bullshit, and then they use that as their advantage. Okay? And so, please, this is really, really important. Okay? I'm going to clip that because it's one of my most important video. Because this is a thing that people do not necessarily understand. Okay? And I think, so it's possible that Germany, so basically what they have done is that, you see, they said that I was schizophrenic. Okay? So basically, okay, I'm saying everything right now, but people have to understand this. So basically, they say, okay, basically, what schizophrenic, you can call that also like bipolar or a nuclear head. Okay, some people say nuclear head, some people say bipolar, some people say schizophrenic. You see, it's kind of related. Okay, and so what they say is that they say, okay, if you end your nuclear program, we are going to stop doing that to people. But obviously, it's not what they did at all. Or maybe they did that, but it's literally blackmail. You see? So, honestly, people have to know that. And so, Germany fucking reduced their energy production because they fucking made believe a fucking bullshit to people by blackmailing them. You see? So here you go. Honestly, I'm really angry about this. Honestly. And so young people must not continue this bullshit. Okay? They're fucking manipulating the head of political people. So for left people to be for degrowth and fucking living in fucking without anything. So left people in France. Okay? They made people believe that they should reduce pollution and reduce all those things while they were doing them and increasing their power. Do you understand that? So this is really important. So sorry if I'm a bit agitated, but millions of people literally lost capacity and millions of people fucking were fucking dead or were fucking suicidal and killed themselves because of this. Okay? Because so everything must be done logically. Okay? So, what I was saying, I got kind of angry because honestly, this is a fucking nightmare. What they did. A fucking nightmare. And they did it absolutely knowing what they were doing. Okay? So how can we defend against that? Okay? So basically, so now that I said it, honestly, people like will know. Okay? So they will try to not do that. Okay? But if you understand this, so basically, what they were doing is that they were linking things. So, for example, they were making you believe that if some people killed people because of this, okay? Basically, what they were saying is that they created a narrative in someone's head. They said, if you kill this person, this will happen. Okay? So they created kind of a quantum entanglement between this event and this event, even if they are unrelated. Okay? And so then they control, you see, they control the quantum entanglement. So if the person does the first thing, the second thing could happen or could not happen. But you see the problem? Never try to discuss with criminals and blackmailers. You see? So if they control the quantum entanglement, so the quantum entanglement has to be very clear and official for that to be something that people act upon. Okay? Honestly, the world became fucking crazy. So here you go. So I can control myself a lot. Okay? I get angry because of this, because this is a fucking nightmare. Do you realize these things? So here you go. Obviously, I can control myself a lot. We are going to solve this little by little, and by giving all the information to people little by little, and everything is going to be solved at one point. Okay? But wow! You see how they make people crazy? It's crazy, huh? So basically, they try to make me kill people. They try to make me do violence. They tried a lot of things. Okay? Basically, I never did any violence. So the only violence I did, I think, is when I was really drugged, I closed the door really quickly and it broke the door. Okay? This is the only violent thing I've done. You see? So basically, they're changing the head of people, they're using techniques, etc. to and for intelligent people, they're doing this technique, and some intelligent people kind of were fucking had by this, because like they did not really think about this. So basically they are in their head when they do that, and so it's really not possible to get out, you see. And so people are starting to believe it, and basically what they say for some people is that they say that the quantum entanglement is true and that it's going to work, you see. And but obviously while you do not control the quantum entanglement, while it's not clear, and while so while the quantum entanglement is not clear, while it's not controlled, then you should not act upon this. Okay? Okay? I hope that this is clear for you. You should act upon this only if it's clear. If it's clear, kind of official, and that it makes the life of basically both things better. But it's not even good, because you see, it's better to make things happen in a logical way. Okay? So basically, if behind the quantum entanglement there is logic, this is different. Okay? What I'm saying is that if there's no logic at all between the two things, then never act upon that. And basically, as this technique is kind of advanced and I think it worked well in the past, they tried to do this. And basically, they tried to make me kill people. They tried to how can I so they tried to make me kill people, they tried to make me hungry, they tried to make me kill myself, they tried to make me drink, they tried a lot of things. Okay? I never did any of this. Okay? So please, this is really, really important, but I analyzed all their techniques for 5 years. Okay? So that's why I'm explaining one of the most dangerous techniques that they use. Okay? So I do not know who this is. I hope that they will speak publicly and make that clear. Okay? I hope so. But there is a lot of examples of this. So, in my experience, so in my experience about this, so Germany might be an example, but I'm not sure. I cannot show documents on this. And so I mean, they're acting in a very hidden way. So basically, it's the I think it's the Christian community, guys. So, but not only, I think it's I don't even know. I don't even know which. I don't even know, honestly. I think it's top people of top people in companies and in countries that are doing that. Okay? So, you see? People part of the government, people part of the religion, you see? It's a technique that people use. Okay? And basically, when somebody is on a killing spree outside, it's not because this guy is crazy. Okay? It's because they were fucking drugged and made crazy. Okay? Like they tried to do me. Like they tried to make me do. So basically, I got drugged. They made my head in a state that made me want to kill people. You see? They tried to make me do violence. You see? But I've never been in violence. So basically, you know what happened with my parents? So basically, when I'm in a hurry, I'm in a hurry, and my father just stopped in front of me for no reason. So you see what I do is that I'm like, okay, can I pass? So I just do this like this, you see? Let me show you the force. So I do this. Really, I do things like that. And my father says, really, this is true. This is a true story. Don't touch to me. Don't touch me. You're dangerous. You're violent. Really? So you see? So what they're trying to do is that obviously he has received instructions from people to do that. Okay? And so what obviously you see what they do? And what I want, so I've been stopped. I've been stopped again in my thinking. So obviously, it's for me to get frustrated, and be stopped in my path. You see? So I'm just like, okay, I'm pushing a bit, and I'm going because he's like this, and he doesn't move. You see? And then he says, oh no, you see, like that. And then he's fine. You see? So I'm like, okay, I'm pushing a bit up, I'm going on my way. And they were saying, oh, he's violent. You see? So basically they're misrepresenting the truth to eventually make me angry, stop me, make people believe that I'm violent. You see? So this is a technique that they use. Alright? So guys, my parents, everyone, a lot of people. So me, the thing is that I was doing this to help my parents. You see? So I was trying to get money, to be a family together and things like that. And you see what they're doing. So here you go. Making me angry, making me violent, making me making me, giving me the thought to kill people. You see, it's crazy. Huh? It's absolutely crazy. And so people have to be aware of all of that to reduce, and making me also trying to make me kill them myself, trying to make me drink. So basically, each time I'm angry, they're showing me alcohol. For example, I'm angry on the road. A car comes with like beer and something. You see? Then other things. You see what they're doing? Then other things. Sometimes I'm angry because basically they make me they make something fall out of my hand. Okay, and so they are making me watch alcohol, like bottles, or they're making me watch cardboard that I have with an alcohol label. You see? Then what they're doing also is that well, I'm saying all dirty things honestly, and they made thousands of people drink. They made they killed millions of people. Okay, really? They killed millions of people. They made thousands of people drink, and they fucking killed trillions of dollars of growth. Okay? Christians, my guys. Okay? So I think it's not only Christians. But here you go. Okay? So, and another thing, so yeah, like trying to make me drink, trying to other things. So it has to come to my mind. Sorry. So so you see, they're kind of allowing me to say that because I think they realized that they were wrong. You see? So that's why they're allowing me to say that. And what were they doing also? So it's not only Christian, it's the states, head of states, okay? Head of states and so sorry, I said Christians. It's kind of head of states, but it's also in the Christian community, okay? And so here you go. You see how crazy this was, and so hopefully we can build a better thing. You see, so yes, maybe for Alzheimer. You see, Alzheimer and like dementia. So basically, they're doing this to people. They're confusing them and things like that, and they're giving them a drug, and it's shrinking their brain. And at one point, their brain is fucking fucked up. Okay? Okay? So here you go. Because they have this misconception that people should end their life at one point. You see? But it's not true. I showed that there's a path toward infinity. Okay? And so basically, what they do also is that they say that these people are a burden for society. So instead of trying to help them, they're fucking killing them. So you see? Crazy people. Absolutely crazy people. Okay? Okay, so what they're doing also, what did so um, let me think about that. So about drinking, I talked about that. Basically, once you're in a bad situation, they're showing you drinks. And drinking kills your memory, okay? And sometimes, and too much also your IQ, okay? And drinking alcohol, okay? Then so about killing myself, sometimes they just show me a knife when I'm in a bad situation. So show me a knife or show me a knife when I'm in the bad situation, or when for example I'm what else? Hmm. What else for so what were the mode of actions they were doing? So you see, I got stopped in my thinking again. So making people kill themselves. So for me it was showing a knife, showing me showing me a drink or showing me meds, okay, to dumb me down, okay, showing me meds to dumb me down, showing me a knife, things like that, and try to okay, then about killing other people, they are also showing me knife, so getting me angry and then showing me knife, maybe yes, getting me angry and showing me a knife, basically, because I don't have a firearm, so getting angry and showing me a knife, okay. Is it still streaming? Is it still okay, it's still streaming. And also yes, so it was this. I forgot about all the other things, but so they are also giving disease. You know, they said I was schizophrenic. You see. So all of this. So now I know a lot of their techniques. Okay. But I just gave a lot of them. Not every technique, because I got some of them in my memory, but I need to kind of be in the situation to remember the technique. Okay. So here you go. Okay. But they use a lot of techniques like this. So sometimes what they often do is that they try to make someone the culprit, but this person is not really the culprit. You see? So they are making someone the culprit, while it's not even the culprit. Okay? And some people got really in prison. Really. So it was really a nervous laugh. You see, it's not funny at all. Okay? Because some people fucking got their life destroyed. And at one point I'm like, okay, you are crazy. So I'm trying to. So you see, after when I got when I signed the when I signed the end of my job, at the end of February. No, at the end of January. I signed 1 month in advance. Okay, and so when I signed at the end of January, the end of my job, I was like, okay, I'm going to try another job. They fucking organized the thing for me to lose fucking hundreds of hours and basically not get anything. More than 50 interviews. And then I'm like, okay, but I was still positive through all of that. You see? So they tried to make me kill people. They made me lose a lot of fucking time. They created 10,000 of problems in my life and on my computers. And I was basically, okay, I'm still going to do positive. And after that, I was like, okay, they do not want to employ me, even though I can provide a lot. So you see? So I was like, let's go try to rethink the world. You see? So that's why I created this project. You see? So obviously I was thinking about some of that before, and I basically kind of rethought the world. So not everything, you've seen it if you've seen the video streams, but I kind of rethought the world in several areas. And that's why I talked about the third party, because the third party could maybe solve some of this shit. Okay, so here you go. You see, it's how crazy can this get? You see, this is crazy, huh? This is crazy. But people have to know to be able to defend against that. So if you're kind of following what I've been doing, so it's me being transparent and clear. It's allowing you to gain a lot of capacity because you now know what they do. Whether you were part of the attack team or other team, you now know these attacks. You see, because some people, they told some people only one technique, and people were only using this one. And basically, they really specialized people. So I'm giving information to the specialized people that are made dumb to only do one attack technique to someone. And so if you are understanding this, know that they know a lot more methods, and at any point they can fucking kill you. Okay? So you see. So if they are doing that, do not believe that they are for you. Not at all. Okay? They are just using you. Okay? So I'm for building like a world where we are going to make things only positive, like it should be. It's been maybe around 10,000 years old. Then civilization has really taken off. Should be done. This kind of bullshit should be done. Okay? So here you go. So I talked a bit much, but so basically this is one of my most important videos though. Okay? 1 hour. Wow. So it's when I came back. So 1 hour and 2 minutes ago. So it's going to be a long clip, but I think it's very important. Okay. So here you go. Ok. So, alors je vais pas résumer tout ça en français. Allez, elle est importante. Je vais résumer en français après. Ok. So. Je vais appeler ça my most important vidéo. Vidéo stream. My most important video stream right now. Ok? Up until this point. So, it's not really a positive video, you see? So, I wanted to do positive. Okay? I wanted it. Basically, they did not allow it. Okay? You know what? I'm going to keep that in the video. So, I really wanted it to be all positive. Really. For fucking 5 years. Okay? It never, basically they never allowed it. So, more than 60 interviews. Explanations of a better system. Explanation of how we could resolve things. I tried almost everything. Me being all clear about what I wanted to do, which is really being positive. You see? Me being all clear about my goals. Me being all clear about everything. Me showing how I work. Showing my innovation capability. Me showing good work during so on the study part and also on the work part. You see? Nothing worked. Okay? They basically did not allow me to do only positive. Okay? So it's not that so it's not that bad. It's so basically it's a lose for me again because I wanted first to be all positive. Okay? So obviously 4 days into my stream, it became negative because into my public stream because they fucking made it so if I had to. So I do not want to lie. So without lying, I had to explain something and I had to be negative. Okay, and so I had to do it. Okay, and so here you go. So I wanted to resolve that maybe little by little and for after, you know, that everyone could know everything and everything will be fine. They did not want it to do it like that. Okay? So anyway. But basically they did not want it for me to make everything positive. So now that a lot of the negative has been said, I talked a lot of positive, honestly, during these last 10-20 days. Honestly, there was a lot of positive innovation and things like this. And in the future, there are going to be millions of innovation if this works. Okay, so it's going to be very positive. There is some bad that needs to be said. Okay, so here you go. But I honestly wanted it to be fully positive. When I came to the US, I did not know all of that. Quickly discovered. And basically, I was like, I did not know how to react. You see, so I just left really quickly. And they continued. They continued. So here we go. And but if it honestly, if in the US they would have been positive and tried to follow like my growth positive project, maybe this would have been done in the US. You see? So here you go. Anyway, so let's try to okay. So I can only record until 52. Mais bon, honestly, I think that some of this was so maybe quicker than people wanted it to, but some of this was I think prepared for people to see this, because obviously young people should not continue this kind of system doing that to people, you see. So I think some top people kind of supported me on that, and that's why you are able to see that. Okay, so you have to realize that also. Okay. Okay, donc, so I'm waiting until I can get a clip until 56 and to have everything on this video. I mean, not everything, but a lot of information packed. Okay, and so if you want information packed, it's really information packed. Okay. I mean, it could be, obviously, there could be more information, okay? So, obviously, I could have said, talked using keywords, you see, to make to make it a lot faster, but you see, it's information packed enough. So, honestly, I'm not against, like, kind of making everything more beautiful, even if there's some things that are not really usable. I mean, not really. How can I say that? We need to make things like entertaining for people to watch. If I talk like I got it, so it's not to mock Asians, but what I want to say is that if I talk like this, Gauthier, US, left, you see, it's left France, 2022. You see, it's a bit boring. So obviously there has to be some kind of way to make things beautiful and add a little bit of beauty, but not really utility beauty, you see, but just beautiful beauty, you see, kind of drama. Okay, but like a small amount of drama that makes the things nice to hear. If you get what I mean, okay? Let's do until 59, okay? So there's 3 minute delay. So I'm going to come back in 3 minutes, okay?